Here's how you create a Facebook audience from your website visitors. And of course, this assumes you have a website and you have the pixel on your website that's been tracking your visitors. And you're going to go create audience, custom audience. And we're going to go ahead and use website. So once you've selected website, you can do all website visitors, people who meet any of the following criteria: default pixel, all website visitors. And if you go over this info, you can see you can do at a maximum 180 days. And so if you're just getting started, especially, you want that to be, 180. You want that to be as high as it can be, which is 180, right? If you're someone that's a little bit more advanced, further along, you can shorten that distance, but 180 is good for our purposes. And so we're going to say website visitors 180. Oh, cap lock's on. Website visitors 180. Hit create, and that audience will go ahead and start getting created. And the good news is that it's constantly updated and fed in real time by Facebook. So that audience will always be there, always be ready to go.